Hello. Well, as you all know, today is a very important day. It's the engagement between Mr. Kushal and Miss Kavya. And I thought instead of making a normal video, why don't we have spice things up with a little challenge, like the ice bucket challenge. But the ice bucket challenge is too boring. Let's spice things up a little. What say? Let's try something different. Maybe a little too dangerous. No. No? Fine. Oh no? Come on, yeah. You guys are so boring. Okay, because of rules and regulations, I think we have to stick to something a little more safe. So I'm going to name this challenge the Kushal Kavya Cough Syrup Challenge. The rules: everyone must drink 1 spoonful of cough syrup and give their messages for Kav and Kushal, the earliest memory of Kav and earliest memory of Kushal, and then they should nominate the next person. Now, whoever does not comply by this rule is going to be afflicted by a very serious cough for the next 1 week. So beware. So now I shall initiate the cough syrup challenge. Okay. Kav. My first memory of Kav. 1992. It was in a hospital in Liverpool. I really didn't know what was going on. Mom was admitted and dad took me up and he said, "Need you to meet somebody." I went there to mom and then she hands over this little blob and says, "This is your sister." I'm like, what? Just looked like, a small, what do you call, Teletubbies. Wait, that's kind of an insult. Anyway, that's my first memory of Kav. I remember thinking of her like a toy and just playing with her every day and all that. But now she's grown up, obviously. She's getting engaged. Kushal, the weirdest intro ever. One day in MBBS, I decided, let's see how it feels to sit on the front bench. These morons, geeks sit on the front bench. Let's see how it feels. So I went to the front bench one day and sitting next to me is this guy with this green, blue, weird eyes. He's sitting there. Class is going on. I'm about to doze off. Then suddenly he goes, "Dude, did the seniors rag you?" I'm like, "Yeah, of course they did rag me." Then he's like, "Yeah, you know what they asked me to do? They asked me to take off my shirt." I'm like, "Okay, why is he telling me these things?" And then he says, "But then they saw the amount of hair on my body and they told me to put my shirt back on." And he lifted his sleeve up like this. I was like, okay, I'm never sitting in the front bench again because they have weirdos like this. So later on, I went and told my other friends, I'm like, "Dude, that guy's seriously weird. I don't think you should hang out with him." But things led to now, which is him getting engaged to my sister. So that's kind of weird. Anyway, I now nominate Anisha and Ashwini for the cough syrup challenge.
Hi! Hi! Thanks Adarsh for nominating us for the cough syrup challenge.
Congrats, Kav and Kushal.
Kav, we can't believe you're getting engaged. Yeah, we still remember all how we used to have fun in Truro.
Polstein Road, going swimming at Cloans.
And then how we used to all sing to
I'm a good girl.
In fact, just yesterday we saw the whole video again.
Yeah. And Kushal, our earliest memory of you was when you came, obviously with Adarsh and Kav, to Bangalore.
Yeah.
And super fun. It was really
Lots
nice.
of fun and yeah. But then
Yeah, there's that
most
one memory.
special memory.
Seeing you standing there before us in your crisp white kurta pajama set.
And we were all in our PJs. So
Yeah. So
anyway,
congrats to you guys, and this is us completing the cough syrup challenge.
we now nominate Bhavani Auntie and Gurvi Uncle for the cough syrup challenge.
Anisha, thanks for your challenge. We are now going to participate in the Kavya Kushal Cough Syrup Challenge. And this is for Kavya and Kushal. We are drinking the cough syrup. And Kushal, you are a big cheat. నువ్వు మా ఇంటికి ఆదర్శ్ కోసం వస్తావు అనుకున్నాను, బట్ ఆఫ్టర్ 5 years I realized it is for Kavya. And I thought you have come to study with Adarsh, but afterwards I realized that you have taught love lessons to my daughter. But anyway, I'm very glad I couldn't have got a better son-in-law than you. I know how much guts you have, man, to love my daughter and to sit like this in front of me, huh? When you are trying to tell me that you wanted to marry my daughter. No discipline at all. But even then, I'll give my daughter to you. Take care of her. Bye.
ఓకే యాక్చువల్లీ గురువి నా దగ్గర నుంచి ఆ డైలాగ్ స్టీల్ చేశాడు. ఏంటంటే నువ్వు బాస్పెట్లో వేసుకొని కూర్చున్నావు అన్న విషయం. ఓకే, వెన్ ఐ థింక్ అబౌట్ యూ అండ్ కావ్య, ఐ రిమెంబర్ దాట్ ఓన్లీ. నువ్వు హ్యాపీగా కాన్ఫిడెంట్గా బాస్పెట్లో వేసుకొని గురువితో మాట్లాడింది. కావ్, యు ఆర్ మై బెస్ట్ ఫ్రెండ్. వెన్ ఐ థింక్ అబౌట్ యూ, నీ బాటమ్ షఫ్లింగ్ అండ్ పుట్టింగ్ ఆల్ ద టాయ్స్ ఇన్ ద కుకింగ్ రేంజ్, అదే గుర్తొస్తుంది నాకు. కుశల్, యూ హ్యావ్ టు రియల్లీ టేక్ కేర్ ఆఫ్ కావ్య. And both of you should take care of each other.
And now
we
we
nominate
nominate this challenge to Ankur
and
Ritika.
Thank you, Padma and Padnana, for the nomination. I accept. Hi, Akka. Congratulations on your engagement. I'm very happy for you. Except for when we come to India, we won't get to see you as much. But as long as you're happy, I'm happy. I nominate Ankur for this challenge.
Hello everybody. For those of you who can't recognize me behind this mess that is finals week, I'm Ankur from the Anupuradi clan. I'd like to thank Ritika for this nomination. Alishana told we should use cough syrup for this challenge, but since I don't have any cough syrup, I'm going to use the next closest drink I could find, which is some coffee. So here we go. Just open. Cheers. Ooh, that was much bigger than I thought it would be. Okay, to Kav and Kushal, I'd like to congratulate you both on your engagement and your forthcoming nuptials. Okay, in my book, once you get married, you're officially an oldies, so enjoy your fleeting days as one of us youngies. You're both such wonderful, kind, and charming people, and I know you'll be great together. Congratulations again, and enjoy married life. Before I get back to studying, I'd like to nominate the Bolaninis, the Gunnams, and the Bhavanams. Thank you.
Thanks, Uncle, for nominating us for this horrible cough syrup challenge. And Kav,
this is our longest everlasting memory of you.
All the best, Kushal. I now nominate my bro Abdik Bolneni for this horrible cough syrup challenge.
Ritvik, thanks for nominating me for this challenge. I wish Kav and Kushal all the best, and this is for you, Kav. Now I nominate Karishma for the challenge.
My earliest memory of Kav and Kushal is when we were in class 9, I think, and I get this really frantic phone call from Kavya one day, and she said when she got home from school that day, Adarsh had brought some of his college friends over. So she walked in and Kushal was sitting on the sofa, and Adarsh introduced him and said, "Kushal, this is Kav, my sister Kavya, this is Kushal from college." And she said hello, or maybe she didn't, I don't remember. And she was just mesmerized by how cute he was and by his eyes. So like she told me she was looking into his eyes constantly and couldn't take her eyes off them. And she kept walking and she thought she was going into her room, but instead she banged into the glass cabinet right outside in what was, I think, one of the most embarrassing moments of her life. And that's also probably Kav and Kushal's earliest memory of each other. And look how far we've come since then. So, Sky, cough syrup's all yours.
Really? Okay, so the earliest memory of Kav and Kushal was a little bit after the glass cabinet incident when we were all sitting down at East Street and Kav was telling us about his cute new friend of Ranna's, and it sounded like it was going to get serious. Right. So, we did what we did back then when we all had crushes, and like the crushes needed a code name so we could the crush would never know that we had a crush on them. Yeah. So Kushal's code name came from what Kav was telling us about his eyes and how beautiful they were and how she couldn't decide whether it was eyes with blue eyes or green eyes or blue eyes or green eyes. So, Kushal's code name was either going to be Blue-Eyed Boy, Harry Potter, Green-Eyed Dude. So, for 4 years, we knew him by GED, Green-Eyed Dude, for short. So Kushal, if you were ever wondering why all of Kavi's friends were like looking into your eyes whenever we met you, it was because we were trying to decide if we named you right. So, I'm glad everything worked out with you with Kushal and the Green-Eyed Dude. So, and congratulations to your engagement. Up to you now, Stephanie.
Hi. So my earliest memory of Kavya and Kushal is when Kavya was going to go visit Karishma and we were going to have a Skype session, me, Saithya, Kavya and Karishma. And we all came and Kavya and Karishma were really excited. And I was the last one to be on the call, so everybody already knew what was happening and who the crush was. And I wasn't thinking of Kushal at that point because Kavya had a humongous puppy love like Karishma and Saithya mentioned. But I think she'd given up on him for a little bit. And then I kept guessing and they were teasing me and making fun as we always do with each other. And then I finally said, "Is it Kushal?" And then she said, "Shai is coming, yeah." And then I knew that it was Kushal. So wish you both the very best. And disgusting. I nominate Jyotsna and the Manipal girls.
Thank you, Spandana, for the nomination.
This is for you guys.
Okay, so Kushal, you should be really scared because we knew of you much before you knew of us.
You went from being Kav's Anna's cute green-eyed friend to our own Baba.
Then we got to meet you and finally make fun of both of you together in person.
But we love how everything worked out and fell into place for you guys.
We're really excited for you and looking forward to your wedding.
And I hope your kids have eyes like Kavya's, but they're colored like Kushal.
We love you,
And Kushal, we approve of it.
I guess. Now we'd like to nominate Tanvi Bagre for the cough syrup challenge.
What's up, Kavya? Nay, engagement ante namma buddhi kavat ledu. Like what? You're getting engaged? This is crazy. But I am super excited for the both of you and well to participate. I decided to wear a little bit of Indian stuff and I'm so bummed that I can't come to your snazzy engagement. But anyways, I'm happy for the both of you and this is a shot of cough syrup to toast to your happy beginning. I now nominate Pranav and Tanvi. And I hope you guys have an incredible evening. Bye, I love you.
Thanks Tanvi Bagre for nominating me, Tanvi Anupredi. Pranav and I gladly accept your challenge. Hi Akka, hi Baba. I guess that's what I have to call you now officially, whether Akka likes it or not. It's been a long time since those girly crushes in the Pata Illu. I was just thinking about the time Nana came home from that big family brunch and he told me that you were probably going to get married to Kushal Baba. And I was like, no, you must be confused. Kushal's Adarsh Anna's friend. It must be some other name. Well, I'm glad it wasn't some other name.
I remember the time when Nana told me that you were dating someone. When I approached you about this, you told me it was Anna's friend Kushal, and then you started teasing me about it. I was too shy to talk to you about it at the time or say anything about it, but now I can gladly say, good luck, Akka.
Akka, don't worry. You're gonna love living at your Atama's place and you're gonna see plenty of us. And Kushal Baba, please take real good care of my Kavakka. Happy engagement.
I would like now to nominate Prashant and Puri for the next.
చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి మా అమ్మ ఏ కష్టమైన పని చెప్పినా నేను ఏమైనా సూపర్ మ్యాన్నా చేసేయడానికి అని అడిగేవాడిని. ఈ కుశల్ గడ్ పరిచయం అయినప్పటి నుంచి మా అమ్మ చదువుకోమంటే రోజంతా చదువుకోవడానికి నేను ఏమైనా కుశల్ గాడినా అని అడిగే పరిస్థితికి వచ్చేసాను. ఇంకా కావ్య గురించి చెప్పాలంటే చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి మమ్మల్ని ఎన్ని కష్టాలు పెట్టిందో ఆ దేవుడికి తెలుసు. ఎప్పుడైనా వాళ్ళ ఇంటికి వెళ్ళి చదువుకుందాం అంటే ఆంటీ కావ్యని చూపించి, కావ్యని చూడండి రా ఎంత రెస్పాన్సిబుల్గా ఉందో, కావ్య చూడండి ఎంత బాగా చదువుకుంటుందో అని చెప్పి మా అమ్మల్ని అందరినీ కుమ్మేసేది. ఇటేమో సూపర్ మ్యాన్ని బీట్ చేసేసిన కుశల్ గాడు, అటేమో సిన్సియర్, ఒబీడియంట్ అండ్ హార్డ్ వర్కింగ్ కావ్య. ఇంతకన్నా బెటర్ మ్యాచ్ దొరుకుతుందని నేను అస్సలు అనుకోను. వీఆర్ ఎక్స్ట్రీమ్లీ హ్యాపీ దట్ యూ గైస్ ఫౌండ్ ఈచ్ అదర్.
So, since Prashant is done with all your awesomeness, I'll skip going into the loop. All I want to say is that I'm really happy to know you guys, and I'm really so happy that you're getting engaged, and wish you all the happiness in many years that you'll be seeing together. Okay, with that said, Kushal, being a shy guy, requested me to dedicate a song on his behalf to Kavya. So, here it goes. కనిపెడవద్దు ప్లీజ్, కనిపెడవద్దు ప్లీజ్, కనిపిస్తేనే అయిపోతానే ఫ్రీజ్, అయిపోతానే ఫ్రీజ్. నువ్వొక మ్యాగ్నెట్టు, నువ్వొక మ్యాగ్నెట్టు, నన్ను నీ వైపు అట్రాక్ట్ చేయొద్దు, అట్రాక్ట్ చేయొద్దు. నీది వయసు బీస్, నాది ఎక్కీస్, నీది వయసు బీస్, నాది ఎక్కీస్. అరే బాబా అయిపోతుంది లవ్ కా డిజీజ్, love car disease.
Okay, we now would like to nominate
Kamal,
Sushmit,
Vineet
and Shashank
for the challenge.
I think the winter has arrived. Now it's time for cough syrup challenge. Thank you Prashant and Purna for nominating us for cough syrup challenge. I can't wait to drink it.
Let's drink it together.
Okay. This is something our doctors Kav and Kushal suggest us all the time, every winter. So we have to talk about them now that they're getting engaged. Kav, I've known her for really long. I've seen her as a kid, a 6-year-old kid, first day of school, standing with her brother, and she was very popular. And then Kushal, I've known him through Adarsh, but we are like brothers, so I'm really happy for them.
Kavya is the person who actually dedicated a super power star song for me. Kamal sir, on a cousin's night, and we have lots and lots of memories to share, which I will talk later. This is a very small video. And Kushal, the moment he calls, he says, Kamal bhaiya, kaise aap? And he always calls me for breakfast for sabudana khichdi because I love it a lot. And
Me and Adarsh were doing a combined study at his house, and one uncle comes to his home and he asks Adarsh if I was Kavya's classmate. And Kushal, Adar once told me that there's a super cool tabla player, and Ustad, wah, kya tabla bajate ji?
Okay, I want to wish Kav and Kushal be happy and smiling as you are always.
Have a super day.
Now I challenge Shad and Faye to this cough syrup challenge.
Look there.
Thanks for the nomination, guys. Here's our Kavya and Kushal's cough syrup challenge.
Let's do this.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, enough.
Kavya and Kushal are a lot like this cough syrup. Firstly, they're sweet. Secondly, they're good for you. And thirdly, they make you extremely sleepy. On a serious note, they're both amazing people and they make a lovely pair together. And here's wishing you all the very best for a very bright future. Congratulations.
Well said. Where do I even begin about Kushal?
So, in conclusion, I'd like to wish both of them, of course, we have a long history. So, in conclusion, I'd like to say congratulations to the both of you, and I love you both a lot. I hope you guys have a fantastic, amazing life ahead. And Kushal, I hope you realize the irony of the situation here. You being a doctor and in the business of saving lives, and here you are getting engaged. I mean, dude, once you get married, I mean, it's just it's the beginning of a new chapter. Yeah, it's nothing like it, man. I mean, yeah, it's amazing. Really, I think you guys are going to have a fantastic time, and all my love to you, and congratulations. Would like to nominate Mr. Surya Narayana Pappu, Suri as we fondly call him, to take up the Kav and Kushal cough syrup challenge. And I'd also like to apologize to everyone for any and everything that he has to say, even before he says it, because I'm pretty sure it's going to be embarrassing for Kushal. So there you go, Suri.
Hello. So let me first thank the Khalif Shadab and his Begum Feroz for having nominated me. And the subject of today's discussion is the Mirror. The Mirror is Kushal, as for people who don't know, that was his name, the name that we fondly knew him by in school. And before I start off talking about him, let me tell Kavya that you would have heard the term trophy wife, but in your case, you've just landed yourself a trophy husband. Now, why am I saying that? Well, if you dig back into his recent past, which is his school days, he was considered by many, or you could say legend has it, that he was the heartthrob of our class and school. I'm not kidding you here. When he used to take to the basketball court or the football field, there used to be a line of ladies coming out in the break just to get a glimpse of our sweaty Mirror. Well, he, on the other hand, never showed too much interest in the ladies, which sort of enhanced his persona and his image, and probably he was more coveted for that particular reason. Now, moving on, any standout memories about the Mirror? Well, it would be doing injustice to our relationship if I mentioned 1, 2, or 3 incidents. I've known him for 23 years now, since the age of 3 in LKG. I've had really good times. The early days when we used to run really fast, I mean, he continued running fast, I just fell away. The days of doing math, very fast math, and then the music classes, the excursions, and so on and so forth, and they're all brilliant memories. So all I can say about him is that he's an impeccable man, and Kavya, you're very fortunate to have found a person like Kushal, and here's wishing both of you a really happy married life. And before I leave, I must keep my side of the challenge and take this cough syrup. So here's the NyQuil that I'm going to take. I know it looks green and it looks like toilet bowl cleaner, but let me confirm and that it's cough syrup, and here it is. Yes, I downed that shot, and think my expression shows clearly what I felt about it. So before I conclude, I would like to nominate Deepthi and Sneha to do the honors, and here's wishing both Kushal and Kavya a very happy married life. Thank you.
Thank you, Suri, for nominating us for the Kushal Kav Cough Syrup Challenge. Go ahead. So the first time I met Kushal, I think was his birthday, Chad's and his birthday at some restaurant, or I don't know the place. Okay, we'll leave that. He's gonna go on. Okay, continue. Okay, are you saying you want me to say it? Yeah.
Okay. Kushal, I don't really remember the first time I met him. I think I've known him for 10 plus years, and we've started off, he was the pacifier for all the fights that Chad and I had initially, and then eventually we found a unique, special friendship of our own. And he's someone who's followed his dreams and nurtured them religiously since childhood. He's a terrific, solid support, and I will fondly. Also a naughty one. He's not Oh, so yeah. nice. Okay. He's naughty too at times, I believe. So I will fondly remember the morning escapades that we've had at our Adda in Sangburn. And I cannot believe he's no longer going to be a bachelor. He's getting married very soon. Congratulations. And Good luck, Kavya. Kavya, although I've not met her so far, I've heard amazing things about you, about how simple and grounded you are. I'm really happy that both of you found each other, and good luck to both of you. God bless you. Kavya, I don't remember the first time I met you either. Sorry, but I've heard so much about you before we met that I felt like I've known you far too long. I've always remembered you or thought of you as the little girl, the naughty, adorable girl from Little Soldiers, but you were not naughty from what I know. Oh, we'd like to nominate. Okay. We'd like to nominate Alankita, Akku, Kaustubh and Rahul for the Kushal and Kav Cough Syrup Challenge.
Okay, right. Super acting.
Okay, anyways, thanks Neha and
Dipti.
for nominating us.
For nominating us.
Rahul, come fast.
Rahul Maja.
Just trying to spit it out.
Okay. Hi, Kav. Congratulations.
And Kushal.
And Kushal.
Congratulations
again. We've been seeing you for a very long time, since you were like a little soldier girl. We were very excited to see you in the school when you actually came first time with this dumb fellow Adarsh.
Then Kav, as you grew up, you've seen it through the ages, and Adarsh home when we used to come to play, what was that other?
Nintendo.
Yeah, and then you were this tiny girl singing around and playing.
Oh yeah.
That's all.
And when we play Pictionary and all.
Kav also used to play with us that time, but not much.
Kav and that other girl from next door, what's her name? Sabha. Oh, it's okay, we know.
Okay, now about Kushal. He's a Pedaishi Buddha. Congratulations. Malgadi ko Shatabdi Banari Kav.
Thank you, Kav, for making that.
Yeah. And making him little emotionful and expressive. Bapre, he was one emotionless creature. But thanks for Kav. Yeah, pura. वही हो रही ना मालगाड़ी को शताब्दी बना रही and congratulations once again and we nominate Ritin now.
And Kushal, you're a great guy.
Yeah.
We all love you.
And you got sexy eyes.
And sexy legs also. Hey, that is a compliment given by a senior. Sexy legs, full hair. I would like to do laser on you.
Oh shit, man.
Okay, you can edit that.
No, I'm really gonna.
Ritin.
Okay, now we're
nominating Ritin for the
cough syrup challenge.
Yeah. See, cough syrup, please take care.
Please do, have some cough syrup.
Yeah, please.
This one's the best.
Guys, thanks for nominating me. Okay, Kushal and Kavya, congratulations. It all started from playing TDs in the house, from you guys getting married right now. Very happy for you guys. Okay, so here it is. Now I nominate Risha and Manisha.
Hi Kavya and Kushal. Thank you so much Ritin for nominating us for the Kushal Cup Syrup Challenge.
And we accept. Okay. Now my first memories of Kushal are of this guy who used to walk around in college wearing these dumb yellow long t-shirts with a cap and a bag.
My first memory of Kavya was this adorable little curly-haired girl who would scream Anna for every crazy stunt that our great Adarsh used to pull off. Basically, we are very, very happy the two of you found each other.
And we wish you a very, very happy life ahead.
Congratulations. And now, we would like to nominate Sindhu for the Kavya Kushal Cough Syrup Challenge.
Congratulations, Kushal and Kavya, your big day. Yay! I'm so happy for you guys. So, the cough syrup challenge. My best memory with Kushal would be the one where we drove to KBR Park for an early morning walk. This was part of Adarsh's bucket list. And it was coincidentally on Kavya's birthday in 2009. What a day it was. All the goofing around and the fun and the breakfast. Those are the days I really miss. And Kavya, I hope to spend a lot more time with you and make so many memories in the future. All the best and congratulations again. Okay, Santosh, I nominate you to do the same challenge with the cough syrup and share a great memory with us.
Hi, Kushal and Gav. I take this cough syrup Dakkan challenge to wish you guys all the best for your future and also to congratulate you on your engagement. And let's have many more trips like Goa, minus rains, of course. And Adu, this is Askoril, okay? And next I nominate our own Firang Sheku for this cough syrup Dakkan challenge to wish the newest couple in the town.
Hey guys, hi Kavya, hi Kushal. Congratulations. I'm sorry I can't be there. When Adarsh asked me to do it, I was caught up in traveling for interviews and that's why I couldn't do it. I apologize for the delay. I don't have a tequila shot or any cough syrup, so I'm just going to give you guys a quick message. I remember the first time I met Kavya was when I came to Adarsh's old house when I was really scared to enter the house, and then she was telling me how Taz and Bugs were like really cool. Actually no, just Taz then, saying he was really cool and stuff, so that was good. And secondly, Kushal and I, we have a lot of things, a lot of memories actually, especially driving down the Taj Krishna, the Kalani's Road at like 2 a.m. on the bike when we were chased by dogs, and the auto ride in Delhi when we went to the ATM. That was really scary actually. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys when I see you next. Bye, take care, have fun, congrats again. And I nominate Ritin and Nabil and Anand and Jaydev. I nominate these 4 people. Do it. Thanks. See you. Bye.
Hi guys. So this is the cough syrup challenge for Kushal and Kavya. First of all, I'd like to congratulate both Kushal and Kavya. Congratulations guys. And సో ఇప్పుడు ఈ వీడియోలో కుశల్ గడ్ గురించి మాట్లాడాలి. కుశల్ గడ్ మా ఎవరికి చెప్పకుండా వాడు చేయాల్సింది చేసి మాకు ఇప్పుడు దాకా కూడా ఎవరు చెప్పలేదు. సో దానికి ఫర్ దాట్ కుశల్ లెట్ గివ్ యూ 3 బీప్స్, బీప్, బీప్ అండ్ బీప్. అవి ఎలా ఫీల్ చేసుకుంటావు అనేది నీ ఇష్టం. అండ్ కావ్య, she's a very sweet girl, known her for a while, and I feel that they would make a very good couple. Once again, congratulations both of you guys. I think you made for each other. సో ఈ కాఫ్ సిరప్ తాగమన్నాడు ఆదర్శ్. కాఫ్ సిరప్ తాగటం అనేది లైఫ్లో చేయని పని, చాలా కష్టమైన పని అనుకున్నాను. సో ఇప్పుడు కుశల్ గడ్ గురించి తాగాల్సి వస్తుంది. ఈ కాఫ్ సిరప్ దొరకటానికి కూడా చాలా టైం పట్టింది. సో అందుకోసమే ఇప్పుడు కష్టపడి తాగుతున్నాను. సో ఒకవేళ కాఫ్ సిరప్ తాగిన తర్వాత నేను బతుకుండకపోతే I would like to nominate NC Deepthi to take this challenge. And once again, all the best. Adarshka, thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Hi Kushal. Thanks Anand for this nomination for this cough syrup challenge. Honestly, I would prefer something stronger and more warmer, but whatever. Okay, Kushal, this is about you. Kushal, when did you grow up? I mean, come on, like, you are the man. Oh, meet the parents and deal with the brother before date the bride. Fantastic. I love the story. Okay, Kushal. You know what? When I first saw you, I thought you were too much of a straight arrow that I didn't think we would be friends. But it's been amazing knowing you actually, and it's been absolutely fantastic. A lot of fun times with you, a lot of hanging out, and I love the sports weeks. If I talk about you, there's a lot of stuff I can tell, but the most important thing I think I admire about you is your principles. You never compromise on your principles. I know there's been a lot of peer pressure and stuff, but you never compromise on your principles, and you will find a way out of it always. People always love you for that, and I think that you always got your friends back. You're always there for a person when they need you. Other than that, I'm really really glad that you're getting married to Kavya, and Kavya, you're a very lucky girl. You won't find a better person than Kushal and Adarsh Reddy. There's no way you're going to find a better man than Kushal for your sister. Okay, so wishing you guys happiness and togetherness. And now I'm going to bring the cough syrup, which I really don't want to do. And I nominate Srikanth for the challenge.
Take 9, and this will be the last spoon from the cough syrup bottle, and I think I'm already high on it. I think I like the taste of it. The first time Kushal told me about Kushal and Kav, I was really silent, and the first thing I said was, Adarsh ne mara nahi kiya be tujhe. Fear. Now I look back and I think, to really beautiful people, to really beautiful families, what else could anybody have asked for? And I keep thinking, आदर काश तेरी एक और बहन होती यार, मैं भी अपना चांस मारता. Anyways, congratulations, and I now nominate Rohit and Priyanka for the cough syrup challenge.
Hi. Our first memory of Kushal and Kavya was when Kushal broke it to me in the car, and he told me I am dating this girl called Kavya, and I know her since a long time, and I'm also very serious. I have ended up telling my parents as well. So this is when he first told me about the incident, the relation that with Kavya, and that he was very serious about this girl, and that he wanted to get married. So knowing Kushal, he's a very decisive guy, and it just struck me how serious he was, and he was fully committed, and that he wanted to get married to Kavya. Kavya, of course, I met at our engagement. So December 2010, when Priyanka and I were dating, was when Kushal broke it to me. And then I met Kavya soon after, and then of course she came for our engagement, and they looked very happy as a couple together. So that's my first memory of them as a couple. Kushal was very serious. It struck me that both of them are very serious, and that they knew that each other was the right person. So that was our first memory. That was my first memory of Kushal and Kavya together.
Hi. So first of all, congratulations to Kushal and Kavya. And so if I look back, and my first memories about both of them was, it's kind of an engagement to an engagement story, because it was at my engagement in April, or our engagement in April 2011, that I first came to know that there's this girl, Kavya, in whom Kushal is interested, and he is going to, he's kind of decided, or both of them have decided that they would be getting married to each other. And so, and here I am speaking at their engagement, and it makes me feel very happy that, that things worked out as the way they had planned it to be. And whenever I look at them, I always feel that they're very together, homogeneous couple, and they're very chilled out because they kind of know that they're going in the direction which they had planned it out, and they seem very content and happy that it's going in the right direction at the right time. And I was about Kavya, I was very excited right at my engagement that I could meet the newest member of what's going to be our complete family. And I hope I get to know her more, and I wish both of them a very, very happy life ahead. Bye. And now we nominate Minty, and we complete our own challenge.
And we nominate
Kadwa glass of cough syrup.
Hi, Kushal and Kav. I'm going to do the cough syrup challenge. That's gross. Anyways, congratulations, guys, on your engagement. My first memory of Kushal that I want to share is when he actually told me about Kav in December 2008. He said he really liked this girl, and now he's getting married to her. That's so exciting. Anyways, guys, good luck going forward. I now nominate Chinu for his video and for his time with the cough syrup challenge. Bye, guys.
Thanks a lot for nominating me, Minty. It feels really good to be nominated by the newlyweds, and well, I get to congratulate the soon-to-be-weds. Anyways, congratulations, Kushal and Kavya. This engagement is a great, great thing. And I was asked to share some of my earliest memories with you guys. Well, as far as Kushal is concerned, one of the oldest memories I have of him are at Narendra's thread ceremony, and the two of us were very, very young, and we were both dressed exactly the same in blue kurtas. And if you see in all the photographs that are there of that reception, of that ceremony, there's not a lot with the two of us in it because we were constantly sneaking off to go and have pan at that time. So in case Kavya, you're wondering, his love of pan, it really did go that far back. And well, my earliest memories concerning Kavya, well, I don't have a lot, but I'm definitely looking forward to having some good ones. So again, congratulations to you guys, and I'll just go ahead and take my medicine. I got to nominate Ravi Kaka and Seema Atta now, so salute.
So thanks, Chinu, and hey, Kavya and Kushal, congratulations on this beautiful day. And I really can't believe that Adarsh is making us drink cough syrup on this day. But anyways, आजकल बच्चों के लिए क्या क्या करना पड़ता है. Kavya, you have acted in a movie, Little Soldier. पण आता घरी आल्यावर माझ्याशी युद्ध करू नकोस. I am really very scared. And no, I was just joking. But all the best, congrats. And I'm drinking this, I'm taking this challenge. And Adarsh, you will also have to, what you can say, you will have to drink this, the whole glass. Thank you.
Kushal comes to me one fine morning, nervous and lingering up and down and very hesitant, and with this idea in mind. And when I first heard about it, I was really dumbstruck and never know how to react. So of all the guys, I never expected Kushal to like a girl and so deeply. Kavya is a sweet and decent girl. We are proud parents to this lovely young couple, and here's wishing to their great future.
So Kushal and Kavya wish you all the very best from all of us. from all the family members.